mixing, grinding, screening, filling, sealing, packing. Pepper, and dried garlic are transported via conveyor to mixer platform, loading pepper into 1,500-liter mixer. After mixing for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Product were well mixed. Discharging product into screw elevator. From screw elevator to grinder. Crushed material enters the feeder. Powder from feeder to vibrating sieve. Screened powder is fed from the feeder into the packaging machine. Start filling. Target weight reached. Weight ray inspection. Sealing station. Carton sealer.